a video here on Mullen Automotive, ticker MULN. And kind of what I alluded to in yesterday's video, we're going to see some profit selling today. There was no way there was going to be a 68-70% run up yesterday in a short amount of time, and we're going to see that continue today. This is kind of how it works, in my opinion, here with these penny stocks, especially these stocks under $1. But we did see a run up yesterday. The buying pressure was insanely high. We take a look at the 5-day chart here for MULN. You can see here yesterday I'm on the West Coast, and by 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m., Mullen was a low of 42 cents, right? By 2:30. And then all of a sudden, literally, what is that? An hour and 15 minutes later, it was at 87 cents, you guys. It jumped 40 cents, you guys. A clean 40 cents from actually even a little bit more than 40 cents, 42 to 87. So even more than 40 cents. It jumps up in an hour and 15 minutes, which is very, very significant. Obviously, there was insane buying pressure here. And then we can see here this morning, this morning it dipped down to, was a low of actually, what is this? 55 cents, back up to 70 cents here, climbing slightly a little bit, recovering slightly. But again, the trading volume, massive, right? We saw massive trading volume yesterday in just a short amount of time. I alluded to it in yesterday's video. But it's definitely retracing here, right? We kind of expected this, and that's why I didn't want to get, I'm not excited, but I didn't want to throw too many different things and opinions out there in yesterday's video talking about Mullen, and it's possible recovery here. Obviously yesterday I did talk about as well how David McCree put out the shareholder letter, and I think a lot of people did gravitate towards it in a I guess you could say like a positive way. People, anytime I think a shareholder puts out a letter to, a CEO puts out a letter to the shareholders, right, it has to be taken somewhat positively just because of the transparency and communication coming from the CEO, right? I think it has to be appreciated to a degree. But again, I don't know the exact perception that it got overall, but I just want to update you guys on a few things here in regards to MULN. Let's not waste any time. Let's just get right into it. So the first here is a little bit of some bullish news. I guess there's going to be an EV launch event today to commemorate the first Class 3 vehicles rolling off the production line. The launch event will be held at the Tunica, Mississippi plant and will feature factory tours, company presentation, ride and drives, and vehicle demonstrations. Attendees will include select media customers, select media customers, dealers, vehicle outfitters, suppliers, and local leadership. The quote from David McCree here: "We are now in the final stages of vehicle production readiness and look forward to customer deliveries." All right, the Tunica, Mississippi plant. This is some decent news here in my opinion. Obviously, this is actually happening today. This was announced a while ago, but I guess it's essentially happening today. So hopefully we get some pictures and videos and just some things, right, in regards to this, right? So this was announced. This article is from July 20th. So it was announced, and I guess I haven't heard anything that this is not happening. Let me know in the comments below if this is actually like not happening now. This FX Street article here as well, talking about how Mullen stock down 18% Thursday. It failed to keep its share price above $1 for 10 consecutive days. Obviously, it has till September 5th. Management handed its officers and CEOs stock-based compensation on August 21st, and the Mullen stock rallied 68% Wednesday following a shareholder letter. You can see here, there's just a quote from the David McCree shareholder letter. Obviously, this article says, an interesting missing detail in the statement was that David McCree did not disclose whether he had attempted to use the board's entire $25 million allotted for buybacks in order to revive the share price. Beginning on August 16th, the company repurchased 3.7 million shares of Mullen stock for $3.6 million. Also, it didn't help the situation that the company filed documents with the SEC to register 52 million shares of common stock based on a 2022 equity incentive program. Additionally, the company awarded McCree with 14 million new shares based on the 2022 performance stock award agreement and 16 million shares for a 2023 performance agreement. So obviously there's a lot of things going on in the background here with the shares, with the shorts of the shares, right? David McCree alluded to that in his letter to the shareholders yesterday, that he believes there was some unlawful trading going on with Mullen shares and things like that. So make sure you guys keep that in mind, that with the Mullen right now, there's going to be extreme volatility. I think the volatility should probably continue, just to be as transparent as possible. And then also, I just wanted to share this short clip here. This is, I guess, I don't know which one is Randy Marion, but these are some guys from Randy Marion Automotive Group, and this is just an interesting tidbit that is said here. Play this short clip.
Some thousand is what the sale rate is. We will not be the only dealer probably next year on the horizon. 30-some thousand is what the sale rate is. We will not be the only dealer probably next year. That we'll bring some more dealers in because it's starting to be too much at that point. What is the appeal?
30,000 Mullen One vans is essentially what they're forecasting the sale rate to be for 2024 for these for specific vehicles. He's talking about how there's going to be other dealers that will need to be brought in because the demand is that high. Now, obviously, you know, you have to take anything I say on this channel with a grain of salt, or anything like I'm talking about. Any information you gather online, unless it's like direct PR from the stock from the company, you have to take with a grain of salt. It's just opinions. But obviously, you could probably assume that Randy Marion and Mullen work closely together. So obviously, he's going to have a bullish outlook and, you know, give numbers and things like that. Now, I'm not saying these are incorrect, but I feel like there has to be some sort of connection between the two parties in a positive outcome that they're both hoping for. So keep that in mind as well. Interesting what's happening today for Mullen. 69 cents at the time of this video. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen again today. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button. As always, have a great day.